And there's no better way to end than at the end. And here to sing us out and teach us all about the wonder of poo, it's the 4 plops. Goodbye, wave, smile to cap.
Ever wondered where your food goes? Is this a downpipe? Am I off to the sea? Caught in a U-bend? No escape from the lavatory. You unbutton your flies, take down your strides and squeeze poo on one of your poos. I can't be many things, short and fat, long and thin, curled up like an onion ring. If you've wondered where your food goes, it's digested and pooed out as me and me. Ever wondered where your food goes?
Elemental attraction, make chemical reaction. You and me and everything are made of atoms. Build me up or break me down. Refine the mix. We're going atomic. Baby, you're explosive. You make me so emotive. You make me go boom, boom, boom. My reaction is quantum. You're radioactive, and I'm finding you attractive. The table's periodic, and we are atomic. Yeah, we are atomic.
Oh, the brain is awesome. Thousands of thoughts in a day. I'm completely awesome. Yes, I am. But 3 pounds is all that I weigh. I'm nearly full size by the time you're 6. And you use me all. That 10% is a myth. It really is. 260 miles per hour is the speed of my information. And I'm 60% fat, and that's no exaggeration. Yes, the brain is awesome. I control everything you do. Yes, the brain is awesome. And I'm awesome because, well, I am you.
A virus don't inspire us, makes us ill. Can't take no pill. Immune system is your only defense against the offense. Gets you spraying. Rubella, what you saying?
Baby, you had a cough, louder than a Molotov, and a runny nose like a tap you couldn't turn off. Suddenly you had to sneeze, and I breathed it in. I swallowed 1,000,000 drops of spit with the virus in. Viruses, they are so tiny, are multiplied inside me, invaded all my cells, and I really don't feel well. Now when we sneeze together. Wish I had a Weller fella, 'cause I caught your influenza. Yeah, I caught your influenza. Yeah, I caught your influenza. Caught your influenza. So phlegmy, so phlegmy.
Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. In your veins, true, it's your blood, man. Arteries, too, it's your blood, man. Can't live without it, it's your blood, man. Gonna shout about it, cause it's your blood, man. My hemoglobin, this hemoglobin keeps me going, that's how I'm rolling. Get cut, stop the lot, clot. Take the scroll, plug up the flow, yo. It's in the blood. It's in the blood. You find white cells in the blood, making you well in the blood. O2 carried there in the blood. Your life is where in the blood. Shout to your sons and your daughters. 8 times there, I'm thicker than water. I said I'm thicker than water. Ah, yeah. If you're happy to be average in the universe, if you're happy planet Earth, you could do much worse. Jupiter has a skin condition. See that big red spot? Yeah. It's made of gas, so I just fly past, or I drop right through the lot. Yeah. If you want a holiday on Mercury, you get a tan. Yeah. But your clothes and skin will strip away because you melt before you land. Yeah. Cool guy satins into fashion. Check out the bling of those rings. Neptune is one ice cool guy, but Earth is average in everything. There's one planet every kid knows, in fact is rather famous. Look through the Hubble telescope and get an eyeful of Uranus. And that's not average at all.
You're getting closer, thinking that I'm just a pretty flower. But the truth is, I'm blessed with the power to devour. So glide into my mouth, then tumble into my digestive juices. Rest up on Venus, get ready for some insect rights abuses. Cause we are killer fashion. We'll eat you up for breakfast without a serviette. Because we are killer fashion. And you will die if you're a fly, and that ain't just a threat. Because we are killer
Can't see them, can't feel them. They're everywhere, skin, clothes and hair. Some nasty, some nice. Wash your hands, that's my advice. What's that in your carpet? Micro monster, micro monster. What's that? It's microscopic. A monster, is it a monster? In your stomach, some digest, others make your skin protest. Thousands living in your beds, some right there on your head. What's that in your toilet? Micro monster, micro monster. Athletes, they're gonna get it. Micro monster, is it a monster? Is it a monster?
Do you want to make a snowman?
It's nice and warm at the North and the South Pole. Not an iceberg to be seen. The penguins are all sunbathing, and the polar bears are green. The ice is gone and the sky is blue, and there's lots of lakes and rivers too. The sea is warm, sand on the shore, so grab your bikini and explore. Don't let it go, let it snow. Don't let the ice caps flow. If you please.
no amplitude. Volume's down. Come on, dudes, let's make a sound. A sound, a sound, a sound, a sound, a sound, a sound, a sound. It's the loud bit. Can you hear it? Makes your eardrum split. You can feel it. Here it comes now. In your eardrums now. It's the loud bit. You can feel it. 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 You can feel it.
Prepare yourself for an insane look at what they don't tell you in the science books. From inner space to the universe, we're on a case to face the worst. It's icky and it's whiffy and it's yucky and it's squishy, but we love it.